If you have already subscribed, then click the bell icon to get instant notification when I put a new video up. Do it now. Alright, let's make origami lights. Now to make origami, you need a square sheet of paper. As you can see, these are square sheets and I have taken 3 different colors, the colors of our Indian flag, saffron, white and green. Now I am showing guys how you can convert this square sheet of paper into a nice looking origami light holder that will fit perfectly our fairy lights. So first you go one of the corners and align to the opposite corner and just press it down. Get a nice clean crease line like this. Press it down couple of times so that your folds a nice looking crease. Now you will do the same thing for the other side. So you can see now I have this cross shape. Now we will do some more folds. Each time we will take both the corners, the top corners, and we will fold it align with the bottom corners. It's very important to align the corners will and also to get nice cleaning crisp folds. I have this plus sign here and a cross sign here. Once we are done, fold it back in half like this. On the plus fold, keep the fold towards you and this diagonal line that you have, fold the corner along the diagonal line. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you open it, turn it and do the same thing for the other fold. So we fold it half and then take the corner and align it with the diagonal line. So now you open the sheet and you can see the given divided it into 16 parts. Almost looks like sun rays. Look at that. Now you have to fold the sheet again and this time to pay attention because this is a tricky fold. So you can see that when the fold this in half, matching the corners, we get a diagonal line here. Now right next this diagonal line, there is another line. So you have to fold this line and align it with the line on the opposite side. Okay, so its fold is like this, and now these two triangles that are sticking out, we will cut them using scissors. So you can see we have a more circular shape. Now we will do the same thing on the other side. This is the diagonal line. We have to fold it on this line which is right next to this diagonal, aligning it to the line on the opposite side. Fold it and fold it like this and automatically you get this two triangle shape, and this we will cut using scissors. There you go, we are cut the whole shape. Looks like a more circular, actually look like a sun now, the rays coming out. Look at that. So now we have to do couple more folds. So you keep it down, take any two corners and you have to fold them. Make sure you match the line in the middle right here. This line should be aligned and also this edge should be aligned with the diagonal line on aligned side. So slightly move it up and down and you will know the position here. Everything aligns and then you just press it down. Now you have to do this for all these sides. So let's quickly do that. Okay, so you can see I am done and you will get about 4 folds like this. Now open these folds and we'll repeat the same process. This time we will fold this middle section between the two folds that we have just done. So open it and fold it this way, right in the middle of the two folds that we just made, and again have to do the same thing, aligning the middle section and align sides to the diagonal. So let's quickly do this. And we are done. So I will 4 more folds. Okay, so open up the form. You go, we brought couple more folds here on the edges. Now what we need to do is, you can see the corners are automatically folding inwards like that. So you have to fold. This will automatically fold like this. Press it down and fold in a straight line inwards and like that. Now once you fold it, you can see have a nice clean straight line and one little diagonal here. Now we will fold on this diagonal outwards like this and then again push this inside and press it down. Now again this diagonal fold it outwards, press this tip inwards and press it down again, and you have to repeat the same thing till you fold the whole piece inwards like this. It gets slightly tricky here when you have folded it almost more than half. So this last you fold gets slightly tricky as the fold. So what you can do is, so hold the piece you are a fold and push the rest to the other side like this, and then again fold it back on the same line, press it inwards and might look slightly tricky, and this is the last one. Now what we have to do is fold it, and when you have this kite like shape, pick the top angles, this small one, and you fold it like so. Another side fold it again and then another side and keep doing it. We are done with all sides, and there we go. I am done all the sides. As you can see, now just gently open the whole form, and because this folds, it gets locked in place and you have this beautiful looking star like shape, which is the perfect container or holder for your fairy light. So you can see we are done with the saffron color. Now let's bring in the white sheet, and you have to do this the same thing for the white one. And you go, we have a white one for the green color, and there you go, we are done with the green too. So now you can see we have our three colors of our Indian flag, and now I am going show how you can connect this with your fairy lights. So again we'll take one and we fold it like this. Get triangular shape back, and this tip you have to snip just a little bit so that there is a little hole and you can pass the fairy light through it. Don't make it too big, otherwise this will be very loose and it will just fall off. So the hole should be just big enough so that the fairy light just fits nicely in that little hole like a nice snug fit. There we go. This just small hole done. With this, just do the same thing for the white and now the green. And here I have my fairy light. Now I will take one of the bulbs right here and I will just slide this through this hole just like that, to this hole just like that, and it hangs nicely there. And we'll take the second one and we'll pass the bulb through the white one, and we'll do the same thing for the green. And in the same order you can attach the rest of the pieces. I have already made 3 more, so I am going on a quickly attach that. And then let's light this up and see how it looks. Alright, so we are done. As you can see, our origami lights are ready, and like I said, I have followed the same color pattern because this is Independence Day special, so it's saffron white and green, saffron white green, and I get that. Throughout look great asses, but let's check how this look when lights are off. Glow!